morning students. Still we have problems to be completed in the exercise 7.5. Already we have completed 17 problem in the last video. Now exercise 7.5 question number 18. We are given to find the integral of x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 into dx. Now before integrating, this is a complicated rational expression and we need to substitute. So before integrating this, let us modify this, that is let t equal to x square. So x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 equal to t plus 1 into t plus 2 whole divided by t plus 3 into t plus 4. So the rational expanding this, the numerator is t square plus 3t plus 2 and the denominator is t square plus 7t plus 12. But this rational function is not a proper fraction because the highest degree of the numerator is equal to the highest degree of the denominator. So we need to divide the numerator by the denominator. So I am using long division method, that is t square plus 3t plus 2 divided by t square plus 7t plus 12. We have 1 time, so t square plus 7t plus 12. So changing the sign, we have eliminated t square and minus 4t minus 10. We know that this rational function is equal to quotient plus remainder by divisor. So that is the LHS t square plus 3t plus 2 divided by t square plus 7t plus 12 equal to, so quotient is 1 plus remainder is minus, that is minus 4t plus 10, taken minus outside, so I put minus here, divided by the divisor. So divisor is t square plus 7t plus 12. So this can be written as t plus 3 into t plus 4. The divisor is t plus 3 into t plus 4. Now the fraction, that is x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 divided by x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 can be written as after substitution. That is, when substituting x square equal to t, we can split this as 1 minus 4t plus 10 divided by t plus 3 into t plus 4. That is when t equal to x square. Now the first part is 1, so this can be integrated easily. The second part is the denominator. The denominator of the second part is the product of two linear functions. So we have to decompose it to partial fraction. So let 4t plus 10 divided by t plus 3 into t plus 4. T plus 4 can be written as a by t plus 3 plus b by t plus 4. So this, the second part, this part I am splitting like this. Now equating the numerator, that is 4t plus 10 equal to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 3. Now substituting some values for t, we can eliminate either a or b in order to find the other one. So put t equal to minus 3. So when minus 3, it is minus 3 into 4 minus 12, minus 12 plus 10 minus 2. minus 2 equal to, when it is t equal to minus 3, this part is eliminated. So, minus 3 plus 4 1. So, this is a. So, a equal to, we have a equal to minus 2 and put t equal to minus 4. So, the LHS minus 4 means minus 16 plus 10 minus 6. So, minus 6 equal to, this part is 0 because minus 4 plus 4 0 introducing 0. So, minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. So, minus b. So, the value of b is b equal to 6. The value of b equal to 6. Therefore, this part is a by, that is minus 2 divided by t plus 3 and plus b 6 divided by t plus 4. Now, the entire function can be written as this is equal to integral 1 minus and this part a, that is minus of minus plus 2 divided by, instead of t we can write x square. So, x square plus 3 and the minus here one minus. So, that minus can be applied to this minus 6 divided by x square plus 4, x square plus 4 into dx. Now, integrating these functions we have x plus 2 into integral of 2 divided by x square plus root 3 the whole square into dx minus 6 into integral 1 by x square plus 2 square into dx. So, this is equal to x plus, we have a formula. So, only 1 2, that is it is 1 by, so 1 by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a means 1 by root 3, already we have 2. So, it is 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by a means x by root 3 and minus 6 into, here also it is of the same formula, that is 1 by x square plus a square into dx. So, it is also 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, that is x by 2 plus c. So, simplifying this we have x plus 2 by root 3 into tan inverse of x by root 3 minus 3 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. So, this is the answer. Next, question number 19. This is integral 2x divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 3 into dx. The numerator is the derivative of the denominator, that is when we differentiate x square we get 2x. So, we can substitute initially. So, put t equal to x square. So, dt equal to 2x into dx. Now, the integral can be expressed in the form of 2x into dx means dt divided by x square plus 1 means x square t plus 1, this is t plus 1 into t plus 3. Now, the part 1 by t plus 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 is equal to a by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 3. We can decompose into partial fraction because this is a product of two linear function. So, equating the numerator on either side, we have 1 equal to a into t plus 3 plus b into t plus 1. Here put t equal to, let us eliminate first b. So t equal to minus 1. So t equal to minus 1 means we have LHS 1 equal to a into minus 1 means 3 minus 1 2, that is 2a, a equal to that is 2a. So a equal to 1 by 2, a equal to 1 by 2, and again for eliminating a put t equal to minus 3. So when substituting minus 3, the LHS is 1 and equal to minus 3 means minus 3 plus 3 0. So a into 0 0 plus b into, so minus 3 means minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2b, which gives b equal to minus 1 by 2, b equal to minus 1 by 2. Integral 1 by t plus 1 into t plus 3 into dt equal to integral a by t plus 1 means 1 by 2 into t plus 1, 1 by t plus 1 into dt minus 1 by 2 into integral 1 by t plus 3 into dt. So this is equal to, we can take 1 by 2 as common, 1 by 2 into this is log of t plus 1 minus log of t plus 3, that is 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t plus 1 divided by t plus 3 plus c. Recalling the value of t, that is x square, we have 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 3 plus c. So this is the answer. Next, question number 20. Question number 20. In the previous problem, the answer is, we written that 1 by 2 into log of modulus of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 3. But n square is an even function. So for all values of x, it is greater than 0, that is positive. Therefore, it is not necessary to put modulus also. So we can write the answer is 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 1 by x square plus 3 plus c. But if you don't forget to remove the modulus means it is no problem. So you can write the answer like this. Now let us solve the problem 20. In the 20th problem, given that 1 by x into x power 4 minus 1 into dx. Already we have done one problem, the 16th problem. The 16th problem is 1 by x into x power n plus 1. So this type the problem is also there. We are given a hint, that is multiply numerator and denominator by x power n minus 1. The same way we can multiply the numerator and denominator by x power n minus 1. Here x power n is 4, x power n minus 1 means 3. So multiply numerator and denominator. Multiply numerator as well as denominator by x cube, that is x power n minus 1. We have, so assume this is equal to I. So we have I equal to integral x cube into dx divided by x cube into x means x power 4 into x power 4 minus 1. Now substitute for this x power 4. Let t equal to x power 4, which gives dt equal to 4 into x cube, or 1 by 4 dt equal to x cube into dx. So substituting these values, we have, this is integral, instead of x cube dx we can put 1 by 4 into dt. So in the denominator is x power 4 means t into t minus 1. Now 1 by t into t minus 1. So, consider this part 1 by t into t minus 1. So, this is the product of two factors which can be splitted into partial fraction, that is a by t plus b by t minus 1. Equating the numerator of either side, we have 1 equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t. Put t equal to 0. So, 1 equal to 0 means this one 0. So, minus a or a equal to minus 1 and put t equal to 1. So, 1 means 1 equal to 1 minus 1 0. So, this part 0, 1 into b which gives b equal to 1. Therefore, 1 by t into t minus 1 equal to, I am writing the positive here, first 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t. Now, integral 1 by 4 into 1 by t into t minus 1 into dt equal to 1 by 4 into integral 1 by t minus 1 minus 1 by t into dt. This is 1 by 4 into, the first one is log of modulus of t minus 1 minus log t modulus of t, that is equal to 1 by 4 into log of modulus of t minus 1 divided by t. So, which is equal to 1 by 4 into log of modulus of t means x power 4. So, it is x power 4 minus 1 divided by x power 4 plus c. So, this is the answer. Now, question number 21. We are given integral 1 by e power x minus 1 into dx. We are also given a hint. So, we put t equal to e power x. The same way we solve this problem. Put t equal to e power x. Differentiating, we have dt equal to e power x into dx. Bring the e power x here, that is 1 by e power x into dx, dt equal to dx, that is 1 by e power x means t. So, 1 by t into dt equal to dx. This is the method of solving this. So, assume this, let I equal to, so I equal to integral, instead of dx put 1 by t, instead of dx put 1 by t, and already e power x minus 1 means t minus 1 into dt. So, 1 dx equal to 1 by t and dx equal to 1 by t into dt. So, 1 by t into dt and e power x is t. So, t minus 1. Now, we can split this, that is 1 by t into t minus 1 equal to a by t plus b by t minus 1. And as usual, previously what we have done, so equating the numerator 1 equal to a into t minus 1 plus b into t, substituting the values of t, you will be getting the values of a and b, and you can simply solve this problem. So, you can find the answer. Finally, replace t by e power x. In the exercise, we are given two MCQ problems, that is 22 and 23. Before solving those problems, let us solve the examples which are most important, that is example 14 and 15. So, in the example 14, it is same as the problem 18 what we have taught first. So, start with example 14, I will give you idea. Example 14. Now, find the integral of, we are given the integral, that is assume that let I equal to integral x square divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx. Consider this fraction. Take x square equal to t, let t equal to x square. So, the rational function x square divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 can be written as t divided by t plus 1 into t plus 4. So, in the denominator we have the product of two linear functions. So, this can be written as a by t plus 1 plus b by t plus 4, and equating the numerator we have this part is t divided by t plus 1 into t plus 4. So, we can equate the numerator, that is t equal to a into t plus 4 plus b into t plus 1. Substituting the values of t, that is we can eliminate by substituting minus 1 and minus 4 here. So, put t equal to minus 1, we have minus 1 equal to a into minus 1 means it is 3, that is 3a, this will be eliminated. So, a equal to minus 1 by 3 and put t equal to minus 4. So, the LHS minus 4 equal to, here minus 4 means it will be eliminated. So, minus 4 plus 3 minus 3b. So, which gives b equal to 4 by 3. Now, we have simplified this. So, t by t plus 1 into t plus 4 is equal to, a means minus 1 by 3 into t plus 1 plus b means 4 by 3 into t plus 4. Now, the integral, now taking integral, we have t means x square divided by x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 into dx equal to minus 1 by 3 into integral 1 by x square plus 1 into dx plus 4 by 3 into integral 1 by x square plus 4 into dx. Now, this is equal to minus 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x, because 1 by 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x. Similarly, minus 4 plus 4 by 3 into, so this is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square means 2 square. So, 4 can be written as 2 square. So, 1 by a into, that is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x by a, x by 2. So, eliminate these two. So, the final answer is 1 by minus 1 by 3 into tan inverse of x plus 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by 2 plus c. Now, example 15. Example 15. We are given the integral 3 sin theta sin phi minus 2 into cos phi whole divided by phi minus cos square phi minus cos square phi minus 4 sin phi minus 4 sin phi into d phi. Let us substitute, because it is a difficult process directly integrating. So, we need to substitute. Now, put as usual t equal to sin phi. So, dt equal to cos phi into d phi. So, replacing here we have the integral. Let us assume this is equal to I. Therefore, I equal to integral 3t. So, sin phi means t. So, 3t minus 2 into cos phi d phi equal to dt divided by phi minus cos square phi means 1 minus sin square phi. So, that is 1 minus t square. So, phi minus of 1 minus t square and minus 4 sin phi means t. So, this is the function. Further simplifying this, we have integral, the numerator cannot be can be kept as it is, that is 3t minus 2 into dt. The denominator is 5 minus 1 minus into minus plus t square and minus 4t. So, this is equal to integral, the denominator is t square minus 4t plus 4 and the numerator is 3t minus 2 into dt. Further, we can write the denominator as integral. So, this is t minus 2 the whole square. So, a square minus 2ab plus b square. The numerator is 3t minus 2 into dt. Now, 3t minus 2 divided by t minus 2 the whole square equal to a by, the numerator is a linear and the denominator is a quadratic. So, it is t minus 2 plus b by t minus 2 the whole square. So, this is the procedure and already we have done problem using this. Now, from this part you can simply equate the numerator as well as, and substituting various values of t, you can find the values of a. Now, let me go to the choose it problem, that is MCQ, question number 22. Question number 22. We are given integral x dx divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now, x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. Once again I check the question. This is 22 is x divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2, okay, equals. Now, equating the numerator on either side, x equal to a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Put x equal to 1. So, LHS equal to 1 equal to 1 means minus 1. So, minus a. Here the part is 0. So, a equal to minus 1 and put x equal to 2. So, 2 equal to, this part is 0, 2 minus 1 b. So, b equal to 2 and this part in x by x minus 1 into x minus 2 integral dx equal to, first part a equal to integral minus a by x minus 1 means minus 1 by x minus 1 and plus 2 means 2 into integral b by x minus 2 means 1 by x minus 2 into dx. So, this is equal to, first let me write the positive side, that is 2 into log of modulus of x minus 2 log of x minus 2 and minus log of modulus of x minus 1. Now, there is a way, that is when the coefficient of log can be taken as a power. So, this can be written as log of x minus 2 the whole square and minus log of modulus of x minus 1. So, log a minus log b equal to log a minus b. So, this is log of modulus of x minus 2 the whole square and divided by x minus 1 plus c. See, here we are given the option like this. So, accordingly we have to change the, using the rules of log, we can change the format of the step. So, then only we can get the book answer. So, this is the answer and the option I think B. The option is B, yes, B option is correct. Next question number 23. Now, question number 23. integral 1 by x into x square plus 1 into dx. We are given like this. So, 1 by x into x square plus 1 equal to a by x plus bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. When the denominator is a linear, so simply put we can put a b like that, and when the denominator is a quadratic function and which cannot be factorized further, so we have to put the numerator as bx plus c, cx plus d like this. Now, equating the numerator on either side, we have 1 equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. Now, we can substitute x equal to 0. So, put x equal to 0. So, we have LHS 1 equal to a. So, this is one value, 0 means 1. So, entire part is 0. Put x equal to some other value, put x equal to 1. So, 1 equal to 1 means 2a, a equal to 1. So, 2a means only 2 plus b into x means 1. So, plus b, and we do not know c plus c, and here x means 1. So, b plus c, which gives b plus c equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1. So, this is one equation, save one, and substitute, that is put x equal to minus 1, which gives 1 equal to, the LHS is 1 equal to, so minus 1 means x equal to minus 1 means minus 1 the whole square, 1 plus 1 2 into a value 1. So, 2 only, here again 2 and plus b into minus 1, x equal to minus 1 means it is minus b. So, it is minus b, we do not know about c, and into x equal to minus 1. So, 1 equal to 2. So, multiplying this we have plus b minus c, or b minus c equal to minus 1. Say this is second equation. Again b plus c equal to minus 1, b minus c also minus 1. So, adding these two, that is b plus c equal to minus 1. Say this is first equation. Adding these two, we have 2b equal to minus 2 or b equal to minus 1. So, we have a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1, and substituting the value of minus 1 here. So, minus c equal to minus 1 goes there, means minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So, b minus c equal to minus 1. So, b equal to minus 1 goes there, means plus 1, 1 minus 1 0. So, minus c equal to 0 or c equal to 0. So, c equal to 0. Now, substituting in this, now integral dx divided by x into x square plus 1 can be expressed as a by x means a equal to 1. So, a equal to 1. So, 1 by x, integral 1 by x into dx, and bx plus c, bx plus c means b equal to minus 1. So, b equal to minus 1 means minus x plus c equal to 0. So, leave that, divided by x divided by, here the denominator is x square plus 1. So, integral x square plus 1 into dx. Now, this is equal to, let I equal to I1 plus I2. First I1 equal to integral 1 by x into dx equal to log of modulus of x plus c1, and I2 equal to integral x divided by x square plus 1 into dx, multiply and divide by the numerator and denominator, that is, or substitute t. Now, put t for I2, that is x square plus 1, that is dt equal to 2x into dx. t equal to x square plus 1 means differentiate on either side, dt equal to 2x into dx, or 1 by 2 dt equal to x into dx. So, this is equal to 1 by 2 integral, the denominator is t, and x dx 1 by 2 into dt, that is equal to 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t plus C2. So, that is 1 by 2 into log of modulus of t means x square plus 1 plus C2. So, the final answer is I equal to I1 plus I2, that is integral dx by x into x square plus 1 is equal to, the first part is log modulus of x, log of modulus of x plus 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 1, because it is an even function. So, we can need not put modulus for this plus c, but the book answer is the same. I think here there is a minus, so it is minus, I am sorry, it is minus, because here it is a minus, so it is minus. The book answer is, let me verify, minus, look at the A option, it is log of modulus of x minus 1 by 2 into log of x square plus 1 plus c. So, the answer is this one, and the option is A for this.